Neighbors boarded up their windows. We prepare ourselves. Went to Home Depot and bought some of these 5-gallon buckets. Fill them full of water. The tub won't hold the water. It's got a small leak, through the drain. So I can fill it up, but then probably in 3 hours it'll all drain. So all these things are full of water también. It's totes. About 3 for those, and then about 3 for mi hijo's bathroom. Just make sure we have some water available in case we do lose power, and then the water pumps start going out también. Let's see here. I'm drinking water right here. I'm drinking water. My patio. Put everything away. Right there's the generator. I got it out, fired it up, so it's ready in case we do lose power after the storm. Everything's been cleared out of the patio and tucked in. My barbecue, propane, so at least we can cook. And everything's anchored down as best I can, and as best as I can. But everything's clear. Okay.
Feet all wet. I don't want to get my feet all wet.
Okay, get some dry sandals. This is my patio. Normally a barbecue and tables are out here. This table's upside down aquí. It's raining pretty good.